This shadow box is a EO shadow box, also known as equipment operator in the United States Navy Seabees. It is shaped after Natasha, the famous bulldozer from World War II, and was also in the film The Fighting Seabees. First and foremost, we need to cut this out of wood. Make sure everything is looking good on it. And as you can see here, on the measuring tape itself, it's 35 inches wide from the tip of the blade back, and just over 20 inches from the track to the top. Now this one here is only 2 layers thick of 3/4 inch wood. You can do it in 3 layers to give it more room for everything if you have more stuff to put in there. This one doesn't have lights. If it did have lights, I would have notched the top in a little bit on the top layer and made it 3 layers thick so that the lights will shine on top of all the items. You don't want to have the lights shining sideways into them if you can help it. Then you go through the process of deciding, okay, where does everything go? Where does it fit? And sometimes you just need to go with the best fit so everything can be seen. Well, thank you for watching. We hope you subscribe and click the like button and actually tell us what you think about this video. We really do appreciate you. Thank you again.